You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. For more confusing names, more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this video. The German pronunciation first is as Frantz. Frantz. In English, it is usually pronounced in British English in the UK, France. In American English in the United States, the pronunciation is usually as France. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.